Get my napkin again.
And I want to eventually teach theater to elementary school students.
You know, whether they get into anything like that or not, I think it's really great for them. And you're on the ballroom team.
I am. I do love performing, and I saw that they were having tryouts, and I went, well, why not?
We're gonna do some popcorn. I'm gonna press on your belly to know what.
You're doing great, Benjamin.
Yep.
Now for the rub. And I'm gonna give some tickles. For like some fun. And now we're gonna twist this hair a little. We're gonna move it so much. Up and down, up and down. This one's working.
I'm glad it's working.
Now the feet. Up and down, up and down. Up and down, up and down. Now look. Get. Now let's check it out. You're both.
I think you'll get in trouble if you smack somebody on the butt when you're giving another
Adjustment, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm rubbing your back to see it's okay. This is okay. What about your head?
Yep, we're good. Oh, that was my ear.
Let's see your ear.
Thank you, Ben.
What about the other ear?
Well, ow, don't do that.
Tell me I can see if it's okay.